The Power Protein, your fat loss ally. Protein is your secret weapon in the fat loss battle. Why? It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing those pesky cravings. Even better, it helps preserve your muscle mass as you slim down. When you consume 120 grams of protein daily, you're telling your body to burn fat for fuel while holding on to that lean, toned physique you're working towards. Think of it as building the strong, sculpted body you've always wanted. Embrace the power of protein. It's going to be your best friend on this transformative journey. Delicious and doable sample meal plan. Let's make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. With a little planning, you can create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. Here's a peek at what a day on your 1,600 calorie meal plan might look like. A balanced mix of proteins, carbs, and fats. Breakfast, approximately 350 calories and 30 grams of protein. A great way to kickstart your metabolism. Start your day with a protein-packed omelet. It's quick to make and keeps you full for hours. 2 eggs with a handful of spinach and a sprinkle of feta cheese will keep you fueled and focused. Add some whole grain toast for extra fiber. Lunch, approximately 450 calories and 40 grams of protein. Perfect for keeping your energy levels up. Enjoy a vibrant salad with grilled chicken breast. It's light yet filling, loaded up with colorful veggies and a light vinaigrette. The more colors, the better. This meal is packed with nutrients and satisfying protein. It's a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins. Dinner, approximately 500 calories and 50 grams of protein. A hearty end to your day. Indulge in baked salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. It's a delicious way to get your omega-3s. Salmon is loaded with healthy fats and protein, making it the perfect dinner choice. Pair it with a side of quinoa for added fiber. Remember, this is just a sample. Feel free to mix and match different foods to keep things interesting. Get creative with your meals and find what works best for you. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Stay motivated. You've got this. Staying motivated on your fitness journey is key. It's all about finding what works for you and celebrating every victory, big or small. Find a workout buddy. Having a friend by your side can make all the difference. Change up your routine. Don't be afraid to try new activities to keep things exciting. Reward yourself healthily. Celebrate milestones with a new workout outfit or a healthy treat. Remember, consistency is key. Show up for yourself each day, even when it's tough, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Mindset is key. Believe in your transformation. Your mindset is everything. Believe in your ability to transform, to become the strongest, healthiest version of yourself. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. Visualize your success. Imagine yourself feeling confident and reaching your fitness aspirations. Practice positive self-talk. Be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress every step of the way. You are capable of incredible things. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. Track your triumphs. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small or big. Tracking your progress is like watching your success story unfold. Each step forward is a testament to your hard work and dedication. It keeps you accountable and motivates you to keep pushing forward. Every goal achieved is a reason to celebrate. Keep a food journal. Write down what you eat to stay mindful of your choices. This helps you make better decisions and stay on track. Take progress photos. Visual reminders of your journey can be incredibly inspiring. They show how far you've come and keep you motivated. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Each milestone is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Embrace the journey and take pride in your accomplishments. Every effort counts, and every success is worth celebrating. You're well on your way to achieving your goals. Keep pushing, stay focused, and never give up. Ready to unlock your full potential and embark on this incredible transformation? The journey is challenging but rewarding. Subscribe now for more personalized meal plans, expert fitness guidance, and unwavering support every step of the way. Join our community and let's achieve greatness together.